Today's video takes place at the St. Joseph Catholic Cemetery, located on State Route 13, just north of Newark, Ohio. It involves my father, who I never met, but would have loved to have had a relationship with. I knew of him, but was never informed that he was my father until after his death in 1973, when I was 12 years old and living in Rockledge, Florida. My friend Sarah found this newspaper article, dated March 25, 1973, from the Newark Advocate, which details his tragic death after being thrown from the dairy truck he was driving and the truck landing on top of him. It also mentions how his father, my grandfather, was killed in an accident 2 years earlier, and how an older brother was killed after falling from a coal truck when he was just 10 years old. My father was the president of the successful family-owned Gebhardt Dairy, which my grandfather started up in 1935. My Aunt Casey, who I met during the 1990s, gave me this as well as many other treasured pictures and items of my father. I believe she told me that this photograph was taken for an advertisement or promotion with the Newark Advocate. I found and cropped this picture of a Gebhardt dairy truck on the Licking County Library Facebook page. It is similar to, or may actually be, the one my father was driving during the tragic accident that killed him. During the Memorial Day weekend 2022, my wife Kimberly and I took a road trip and visited the St. Joseph Cemetery. This is a selfie that we took to commemorate our journey. This is the main memorial for the Gebhardt family plot at the St. Joseph Cemetery. As the viewer will see with the following video clip, my father did not react or respond to the K2 meter when I initially approached him at his grave. Bernard Gebhardt, are you here? Can you touch this meter? Can you touch the meter and make it light up so I know you're here? Do you know who I am? I'm Joe Clark. I'm your son. Can you light the meter up to acknowledge me? Okay, I'll try back in a little bit. Unlike my father, my grandfather and grandmother responded to the K2 meter when I attempted contact with them. Hello, Ralph Gebhardt. Are you there? Can you touch this meter, make it light up? I'm Joe Clark. I'm Bernard's son. We never met, or if we did, I was just a baby. Can you touch the meter to let me know you're here? I'm going to show this to Josephina. Can you light it up for Josephina? Did you just make it flicker? Can you do it again? Just touch it and it'll light it. I thought I saw it light up to 2. Hello, Blanche Gebhardt? Are you there? This is Joe Clark. I'm Bernard's son. I don't think we ever met. If we did, I was just a baby. Can you touch this meter? It's on your headstone. Can you touch it and make it light up? Touch it and light it up. That way I know you're here.
I see the green one, the second green one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Are you making the second one light up? Can you? Okay, I saw that. Thank you. You want to light it up for Josephina? Touch it for Josephina. Okay, well, thank you for talking with us. Apparently, after seeing that his father and mother were not harmed by touching the K2 meter, my father was less shy about it. when I returned to his grave a second time. Okay, I'm back. You want to try to communicate with me by lighting the meter up? You don't want to talk with me? You don't have any energy? You remember Josephina? You want to say hi to by lighting the meter up? Your dad and your mom lit the meter up. Can you try? Just touch it. Thank you. Thank you. You don't know how that makes me feel. Okay, I'm going to try something else. I've been told that my father loved to gamble. My mother told me how when they were dating, he used to take her to the races at the Scioto Downs racetrack in Columbus. My Aunt Casey told me that he owned stock in Scioto Downs and left stock to each of his siblings when he passed away. I don't know if we're talking about a lot of money, but I never received a penny. It is also my understanding that he used to take vacations with one of his cousins in Las Vegas. This photograph was taken at the famous Binion's Casino. The back of the photograph states that the picture was taken during the summer of 1971 or 1972. In any event, I decided to ask my father if he could give me the winning Ohio lottery numbers. I forgot that the lottery in Ohio was not legalized until May 1973, and he passed away in March of 1973. Let's watch what happened when I asked my father to give me the winning lottery numbers. Okay, I'm here at Bernard Gebhardt's grave. Bernard Gebhardt was my father. Can you light the meter up? Would you rather me call you Bernard, or would you like me to call you Dad? Dad? Or Bernard? He's not lighting up for either.
Okay.
Okay. I know you like to play, to go to Las Vegas and gamble and stuff. Would you like to play the lottery? Can you give me the winning lottery numbers for tonight? The Ohio lottery. It's 1 through 49, and there's 6 numbers. Can you light this meter up when I go across the numbers? Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
There was a little light on 18.
Was there a light on 18? Okay, we're going to assume that 18 is one of the 6 numbers. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33,
A little bit on 33.
33? Okay, so we got 18 and 33. 34, 35,
Yep.
35?
Mm-hmm.
So we got 18, 33, and 35. We need 3 more. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
40.
40?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got 18, 33, 35, and 40. We need 2 more. 41.
That one did it.
41?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you.
One more. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. We need one more number. Can you give us one more number? I'm going to hold this over here. Light up when we get over the number, okay? Let me know if it lights up because I can't see. We need one more number. Come on, Dad, give me a number. I hate to get 5 out of the 6 numbers and not win. Can you give me one of the numbers? Light up if you understand what I'm asking. You understand what I'm asking? Okay, thank you. Okay, we just reviewed the video. We only got 5 numbers. Dad or Bernard, can you give us one more number? Here's the numbers you've given us so far. 18, 33, 35, 40, and 41. Can you give us one more? And can you come in a little closer so you see them? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Go back to 5 a minute.
5.
No, I guess not.
5, 6, 7, 8.
It was 8 a little bit. See if we can get to do it again.
8. Okay, we're going to go with 8.
Okay.
This is a picture of me holding the lottery ticket I purchased with the numbers my father gave me. I'm still working, so needless to say, they are not winning numbers.